It is Friday morning and today I'm filming the last video of Tokyo. I'm kind of sad. I'm leaving soon. I'm leaving on Monday and I'm gonna miss this place so much. I'm happy as well because today we're gonna go to Harajuku, Jingumae, Aoyama, all this area, and it's one of my favorite in Tokyo, so I'm super happy to film this last video in Harajuku. And we're gonna do something that I love, which is cafes hopping. Don't mind my voice, I got sick because of the air conditioning, because it's super hot in Tokyo, and if I walk for like 5 minutes I'm just sweating so bad. And our last day will be in Odaiba, which is so cute. If you go to Tokyo, I highly recommend you to go to Odaiba. But the thing is, I've already done all the things where you need to pay, and you need to pay a lot, so I'm not gonna redo them again. So I hope you can visit by yourself and discover there, and it's just really amazing because it's less crowded. It's an artificial island, so it's really nice. And you got the Team Borderless Lab, which is a museum with lights, and it's so beautiful. I mean, it's around $30, but it's worth it because it's so nice. So I'm gonna head to Harajuku, and as usual I'm just gonna take the Kyo line, and then from Shibuya you can take the train to Harajuku station, but I'm not gonna do that because it's every time it's like 150 yens when you do one station. So I'm gonna just go by walk even if it's so hot outside, and then I'm gonna grab coffee, and then we're gonna eat somewhere, and then we'll see.
It's sad we're not together, but I wish happiness for you. I know we said forever, love don't always make it through. Sometimes even the good things get lost along the way. We opened up the same book but found it.
So I hope you can hear me because I'm just next to the road. I couldn't speak inside the cafe because it's really silent and quiet, and everyone was working, so I didn't want to disturb people. It is so hot. I'm just pouring sweat, so I actually regret coming here by walk. It wasn't a great idea. Usually this walk it's about 20 minutes, sometimes more, but it's okay because I like to walk. I like to just look at stuff, but today it's just too hot. Now we're gonna head to an old Japanese man just smiled at me like because I was filming, and it was so nice. Now I'm just gonna head to another cafe which is just for ice creams, and it's vegan ice cream. So actually I feel like there's not a lot of vegan and vegetarian options in Tokyo for now. For me it doesn't bother me because I'm not vegan or vegetarian, but I know a lot of people nowadays are vegan, so that's just an address for you. But it's great for me because if the ice creams are vegans, that means it's dairy free, and I'm dairy free most of the time. It's just here, I'm not even trying to make an effort because I know it's too hard. But yeah, most of the times I'm dairy free, so vegan ice creams, it's always the best option for me. So let's go.
The only thing I can say, I wish you well, I wish you well, I wish you well, I wish you well, I wish you well.
Okay, this place is amazing. It's everything that I love. So first it's big, and you got a juicery just next to the ice cream shop. They got so many different flavors. They got raw honey and almonds, chocolate and dates, coffee and dates. I took coconut and honey. I took blueberries. It's also super light as well because when it's with milk you can feel like the ice cream is heavy on your stomach. But now I had 3 scoops and I felt totally fine. Second thing that I like, they have a huge bottle of Hawaiian water, so you can serve yourself or you can just refill your bottle of water. They also use these cups, so that's great for the environment. And they also give you some reusable cup and eco-friendly cups. You can just have a takeout. So I think it's great because in Japan most of the times I just saw plastic everywhere, so I think it's great. So here you got Reisu Cafe behind me. It's the kind of 3D latte art. I'm not gonna film because I've been there before, so I'm just gonna put some pics here. It's really nice, it's really cute, but I think it's a little bit expensive for what you got, and you have to order. If you're two, you have to make 2 orders. You just can come and order one. I came once here in Hohokam Cafe and I took the glazed donut. It was one of the best donut I had here. It was like a really American New York style donut. That's why I loved it. It was big, it was sweet but not too sweet. And today I wanted to come and take the avocado toast, but fortunately they just make it till 11 and it's 1 p.m. now. That was the best matcha that I had. It was a little bit sweet but not too sour, and matcha is really difficult to make. Most of the matchas that I tried are disgusting, especially the one in Starbucks. It tastes like peas soup, something like that. It's horrible. And I took matcha latte with coffee. It was about 600 yens, which is a fair price, and the girls are really nice. The place is calm, it's chill, there's not too many people. Here I am in Cat Street. So Cat Street, it's not just a street, well, it's a street, but it's also the name of the area. Then after Cat Street, if you go a little bit up, you will be heading to Omotesando and Aoyama, and that's where I'm gonna go. So the burger place was really great. The only bad thing was I waited for 1 hour just to sit. That was too much. Like, if you wait for 1 hour, the place has to be incredibly famous and the burger has to be amazing. Then the place, you don't really have air conditioning, so I was just pouring sweat. Then another thing that I didn't like was that you have to order a drink, and that was the first time that it happened here to me, because you already pay for a burger. I don't see why you need to pay for a drink. Most of the times I drink water. I just don't want to have something sweet or anything to drink. I took iced coffee again, so there's too much coffee in my body right now. But the highlight of my day, there was a Japanese woman next to me. She was eating alone and she started to talk with me and started the conversation. That was so cute from her. We talked for about 30 minutes, maybe one hour, and she was so interesting. She wanted to learn French, all of that.
Got a bad taste in my mouth, and the words just won't come out, 'cause I hate that I can't function without you. And the drugs don't work no more. Yeah, I've tried them all before, but they just don't get me there the way you do. Hey, I know.
I'm just waiting for Anthony to meet me here, and then we're gonna go back to Cat Street to try a cake place, and then I think it's gonna be it for the day.
Rhythm of each other, cause it's what we do. Got me thinking about the way that I'm in love with you, when I don't even like you. I remember who I was when it was only me. Got me addicted to the comfort that I think I need. Can't stop thinking about the way that I'm in love with you, when I don't even like you.
The end of the video. We just came back to Mae Dai Mai. I'm really thirsty, so I'm just gonna have a lot of water, and I'm gonna buy some fruits like mangoes or pineapple because I'm really craving fruits right now. And yeah, we're gonna watch Desperate Housewives because that's what we're doing right now. We're just rewatching the season 1 and it's so good. I forgot how much I love this TV show. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe below so you won't miss my travels, my recipes or my workouts. And I wish you a really nice day, and I see you in my next video. Bye.